Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something special lined up for you, a comprehensive guide on how to look dominant in any situation. Whether you're at work, social gatherings, or even dealing with everyday challenges, projecting confidence and authority can make a world of difference. So, if you're ready to step into your power and command respect, hit that like button and let's dive right in. 1. Confident body language. Imagine standing tall with your back straight, like a superhero. When you have good posture, it tells others that you feel confident and in control. Also, try to look people in the eyes when you talk to them. It shows you are paying attention and not afraid. It's essential to avoid fidgeting or moving too much, as that might make you seem nervous or unsure of yourself. By taking up space, like sitting with your legs apart and arms relaxed, you project a sense of authority. Remember, how you carry yourself can make a big difference in how others perceive you, so try to be mindful of your body language to look dominant in any situation. 2. Speak clearly and firmly. When you talk, make sure to speak clearly, so people can understand you easily. Avoid mumbling or speaking too quietly, as it can make you seem unsure of what you're saying. Speak at a steady pace, neither too fast nor too slow, to show that you are composed and in control. Use a firm tone of voice, but remember to be respectful at the same time. It's crucial to avoid using a shaky or timid voice, as that might give the impression that you lack confidence. By speaking with clarity and conviction, you can demonstrate authority and make a strong impact in any situation. 3. Avoid nervous habits. Nervous habits are those little actions we do without even realizing it, like tapping your fingers, bouncing your leg, or playing with your hair. These habits can make you appear anxious or unsure, which may diminish your aura of confidence. To look more dominant, try to be mindful of these habits and work on controlling them. Instead of fidgeting, focus on maintaining a calm and composed demeanor. If you catch yourself doing any nervous actions, take a deep breath and redirect your focus to your posture and body language. By eliminating these habits, you can project a more commanding and self-assured image, which will help you assert your dominance in a positive way. 4. Take up space. When you occupy space with a confident presence, it shows that you are comfortable in your own skin and have a strong sense of self-assurance. Stand and sit with an open and relaxed posture, spreading your arms and legs slightly to create a more expansive appearance. Avoid crossing your arms or legs, as this can make you seem closed off or defensive. Instead, keep your body open to signal approachability and confidence. Taking up space doesn't mean being aggressive or overpowering. Rather, it's about owning your presence and displaying a sense of authority without being intimidating. By doing so, you can exude a commanding demeanor that others will naturally respect and follow. 5. Dress the part. Your choice of attire plays a significant role in how others perceive you, and dressing well can boost your confidence and presence in any situation. When aiming to look dominant, opt for clothing that reflects the occasion and aligns with your desired image of authority. Dressing appropriately doesn't necessarily mean wearing formal or extravagant outfits. It means wearing clothes that make you feel powerful and self-assured. Choose well-fitted garments that emphasize your best features and make you feel comfortable. Pay attention to details like grooming, neatness, and personal hygiene, as they contribute to your overall appearance. Remember, your clothing is an expression of your personality and confidence, so dressing confidently will naturally help you project dominance in a positive and commanding way. 6. Be decisive. Demonstrating decisiveness shows that you are confident in your abilities and can take charge when needed. When faced with choices or tasks, try to weigh the options, make a well-informed decision, and act promptly. Avoid hesitating or second-guessing yourself, as it can undermine your dominant image. However, being decisive doesn't mean making hasty or impulsive decisions. It's about being confident in your judgments and being ready to stand by them. If you encounter challenges or uncertainties, approach them with a clear and proactive mindset, seeking solutions and taking steps forward. By being decisive, you can show others that you are a capable leader who can lead with authority and assertiveness, making you look dominant in any situation. 7. Use gestures purposefully. Gestures can be powerful tools to complement your verbal communication and convey confidence. When speaking, incorporate deliberate hand movements and body language to support your words. Use open and expansive gestures to show that you are open to communication and engagement. Avoid crossing your arms or adopting closed-off postures, as they can create a defensive or unapproachable impression. Additionally, be mindful of the context and cultural norms regarding gestures, as different cultures interpret gestures differently. By using purposeful gestures that align with your message and intentions, you can reinforce your authority and effectively communicate your ideas, making you appear more dominant and influential in any situation. 8. Maintain composure. When you encounter difficult moments, it's essential to remain calm, collected, and composed. Avoid letting emotions take control and refrain from reacting impulsively. Instead, take a deep breath, step back if needed, and assess the situation before responding. By maintaining your composure, you show that you are in control of your emotions and can handle tough circumstances with grace and poise. This composure exudes confidence and can inspire others to look to you for guidance and leadership. It also allows you to think more clearly and make well-considered decisions. Remember, even in the face of adversity, a dominant individual stays level-headed and handles challenges with confidence and self-assurance. 9. Active listening. Dominance is not solely about speaking and asserting your own ideas, it also involves showing respect for others and being open to different viewpoints. When engaging in conversations, practice active listening by giving your full attention to the speaker, maintaining eye contact, and nodding or providing verbal cues to show you are following their words. Avoid interrupting or dismissing others' opinions, as it can be perceived as disrespectful and diminish your dominant image. Instead, encourage open dialogue and constructive discussions, valuing the input of others. Acknowledging different perspectives demonstrates your confidence and secure position, as dominant individuals don't feel threatened by diverse ideas. By being a good listener and embracing different viewpoints, you can foster a positive and commanding presence that garners respect from those around you. 10. Display knowledge and expertise. Dominance often comes from being knowledgeable and skilled in particular subjects or fields. When you can demonstrate your expertise, others are more likely to trust and look up to you as a leader. Share your knowledge with confidence when appropriate, and be willing to help others learn and grow. However, it's important to avoid being arrogant or condescending about your knowledge. Instead, be approachable and willing to engage in meaningful discussions and collaborations. Dominance through expertise is about being a reliable source of information and guidance, someone whom others can turn to for valuable insights. By showcasing your knowledge and expertise, you can strengthen your dominant image and become a respected figure in your areas of competence. 11. Be assertive, not aggressive. Being assertive means expressing your thoughts, needs, and boundaries confidently and respectfully, without violating the rights of others. Dominance achieved through assertiveness shows that you have self-assurance and can communicate effectively without resorting to intimidation or force. When expressing your opinions or asserting your needs, use clear and direct language, but always be mindful of the feelings and perspectives of those around you. Avoid raising your voice or using offensive language, as this can create a hostile environment and diminish your authority. Instead, maintain a composed demeanor and focus on finding win-win solutions when conflicts arise. By being assertive and respectful, you can effectively lead and influence others in a positive and empowering manner, earning their admiration and cooperation. 12. Set boundaries. Dominant individuals are often confident in their self-worth and know their limits. By setting boundaries, you show that you value yourself and expect others to treat you with respect. Be firm in communicating what you are comfortable with and what you are not, both in personal and professional settings. Avoid being overly accommodating or allowing others to take advantage of you. However, it's crucial to assert your boundaries without being aggressive or rude. Be polite but assertive when communicating your limits, and don't be afraid to say no when necessary. By setting healthy boundaries, you gain control over your life and relationships, and others will be more likely to respect your dominant position. Remember, being dominant doesn't mean being controlling. It means being self-assured and standing up for yourself while also respecting the boundaries of others. 13. Lead by example. Leading by example is a powerful way to demonstrate dominance in a positive and influential manner. Show others through your actions that you embody the qualities you expect from them. Be the role model that inspires respect and admiration, and people will be more likely to follow your lead willingly. Whether it's at work, in social settings, or within your community, consistently demonstrate integrity, responsibility, and dedication. Take initiative, be proactive, and contribute positively to the group or organization you are a part of. By leading by example, you establish yourself as a dominant figure through your actions and character, which can create a lasting and positive impact on those around you. 14. Stay resilient and learn from challenges. True dominance involves resilience in the face of challenges and setbacks. When you encounter obstacles or difficulties, approach them with a determined and tenacious attitude. Don't be discouraged by failures, instead, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Embrace challenges as chances to improve and develop your skills. Maintain a positive outlook and keep moving forward, even in tough situations. Demonstrating resilience shows that you can handle adversity with confidence and bounce back stronger. Your ability to face challenges head-on and learn from them will earn you respect and admiration, further solidifying your dominant presence in various aspects of life. Thank you for joining us on this empowering journey of discovering how to look dominant in any situation. Remember, confidence and authority are not about being aggressive or overpowering, but about being your best self and leading with authenticity. By implementing these tips, you'll be well on your way to commanding respect and influence wherever you go. If you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from our amazing community. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on those notifications, so you'll be the first to know about our future videos that are all about empowering you to succeed in life.